our viewers and panelists. Project Talk is PropTiger's initiative to apprise the home buyers about what is in the market and crucial information you need to know before making an investment. I'm Sneha Sharon, your host for the day, and we have the Godrej Group here with us today. I'm joined by Mr. Prashantu Mukherjee, Site Sales Head at Godrej. Welcome. Mr. KK Mr. KK Priyadarshi, Channel Sales at Godrej. Welcome.
Hello to all. Thank you.
Ms. Mahima Bhatt, Site Relationship Manager at Godrej. Welcome.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you.
And from PropTiger, we have the team manager, Mr. Sachin Mehta. Warm welcome to all my panelists.
Hello, everyone.
Now, I'd request Mr. Mukherjee and Mr. Mehta to give a brief introduction of the companies they're representing. Starting with you, Mr. Mukherjee.
Yeah. So, good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody are fit and fine and happy away from the COVID-19, which presently is our main concern across the world. So, coming to Godrej Properties, Godrej Property is part of the family of Godrej brand, which is around 120 years old. Most of you are using the consumer product from Godrej. Godrej Property established in Mumbai, and now we have across the city, across India, including north, south, as well as the western part of India. In Bangalore, we have spread across. I have some, yeah. So in the western, in Bangalore, we have all the parts of city covered, including east, west, north, and south. We will be talking more about our upcoming project, mostly for which we have scheduled this webinar altogether. This is our new project on North Bangalore. But before we going ahead further, I will ask Sachin to give you a brief detail about PropTiger, whom we have been associated with long time for the marketing.
Thank you. Mr. Mehta.
Yeah, hello, everyone. My name is Sachin Mehta. I'm representing PropTiger today. PropTiger is a prominent online real estate advisory firm with branches spread across 9 cities and 18 offices. PropTiger was established in 2011, and as of date, we have served more than 25,000 customers with a turnover of approximately 15,000 crores. We are an enabled real estate platform. We leverage our cutting-edge technologies to help people take very, very informed decisions. We offer a full stack solution to our buyers. Thank you.
Thank you. So the project in focus today is Godrej Royal Woods in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. Before we begin, let me show you why this property may be the new launch you are looking for. Here's a project come location video for all our viewers. Do we have the project video as well? Let's continue then with the question and answers now. Mr. Prashanto, my first question is for you. Tell us, how is this particular location as an investment destination? What is the development like? Mr. Prashanto, your line is on mute.
Yeah. So the development here in northern part of Bangalore, right now, if you look at the real estate market in Bangalore is majorly towards the northern part, especially the areas from Hebal to the airport. The station video which you saw is focusing on the same video where we have the direct right on the main highway which is connecting the Hyderabad NS7 we are located. So the location is very conveniently accessible right from the road connectivity. You have railway station as well. The Devanahalli railway station is half a kilometer from our project. The metro station, which is the airport metro station, is proposed around 2 kilometers before the project. And if you connect airport, of course, is 4 kilometers from the project. So the connectivity wise, this is a main location, which is one of the prominent factor why we have come up with this kind of product. The product will be given you the brief details by Mahima once we are coming into the detailing. Why the North Bangalore we have chosen is, if you look at the current situation in the real estate market of Bangalore, if you look at eastern part, which is majorly your IT hub, and the southern portion, also the IT hub known for, they have been establishing their own branches towards the northern part because of the connectivity. That's your airport coming in. And your major development is around a radius of 10 kilometers of airport. So that's how the major developers, including other developers in Bangalore, are coming up in this location. And this particular product we have designed after 2 years survey. Right in 2018, we started the survey what kind of product and what kind of designing we should look at. Based on all the surveys, we found that this kind of product which we are planning to have in Royal Boats will definitely give not only the investors, whereas they will get a good returns. The people who are looking for their first homes, for them also it will give their easy option to buy in, because we have very uh, product from a branded developer like Roadridge with a very limited ticket size. So we will come to the briefing of the project and all. That's how the rentals income, everything in this location are increasing day by day, because already 2 lakhs plus employees are in around this airport. Shell is there. We have KIDB industrial area. Most of the industries location IT are moving or establishing their branch offices in this location. So that's why in the northern part of Bangalore we have chosen for this kind of investment, and the return of this product will be very good for the investors as well as end user as well.
Thanks, Prashanto. Now, before we move on to the USPs of the project that Mahima will walk us through, let's have a small project video. That's perfect, Real. What's for us? Mahima, can you elaborate on the USPs of the project?
Yes, Neha. So talking about the USPs in the project, the main thing that we have tried to focus on over here is the open space that we are providing. Generally, when you compare to other projects that developers provide, you get around 30 to 40% open space. Here we have pulled it all the way up to around 82% open space. In this, we have around 5.5 acres of just natural greenery. We have around 1,000 trees, which were basically fruit-bearing trees, so around 8 different types of orchards in the project. And the main focus over here is to provide a green space to all the apartments. So whenever, irrespective of the apartment you're in, all the view that you will get is of the green spaces around you. And that is mainly the USP. Bringing into this 82% 5.5 acres of green space is also around 45 different amenities that we have. We have close to around 10 to 12 different types of gardens. Along with that, we have sporting community and a lot of recreational activity that we have provided. So it is a complete package when it comes to every single thing that any buyer would require in their project. We have provided that in this.
Thank you, Mahima. Prashanto, in terms of price movement as also the inventory movement, how does the location fare?
So basically, the product what we have designed, as I discussed before, also that we have done this product after 2 years of regular surveys and typical understanding the typical market, how the condition of people look like. So after the survey, we found that the major hindrance of the people were the kind of product which people are coming up with. The majorly earlier North Bangalore was known for its villas and plotted development and all those stuffs. So people just moving into their first job, or people at the ground level in the airport authority or in around the city where they are working with a very basic salary. For them, the affordability was becoming a challenge. Even they afford the maintenance was becoming a challenge because they cannot maintain a huge villas or a big kind of product. So hence we design a product like this where we have made the ticket size as well as the product with a limited area. We have not reduced the carpet area. We have given ample space. The 2 bedroom, the video you saw a good window, good full height window giving the light and ventilation. Bedroom sizes of 12 by 10 as a master. So this kind of size we made up, and we figured out that 950 to 1100 was a decent size people can look at, and 950 is our 2 bedroom, whereas 1150 is a 3 bedroom we have designed at. The pricing also, we have done a ticket size inventory pricing with a minimum of 50 lakhs and below. So what we have tried is the 2 bedroom keeping it at around 36 to 40 lakhs, whereas 3 bedroom goes up to 49 to 51 lakhs. So that's the pricing we have worked out, and of course the product is not inferior. We have given the all branded fittings. The model video which is just was shown before 5 minutes is actual video. So people who want to visit, they can visit and visualize the kind of product we have designed it. And of course, the brand Godrej, we don't liquidate the product inferiority. So we have given the Esco brand fixtures as well as very good designing tiles as well.
Prashanto, also help us understand who is your target audience. Like you said, you are catering to people looking at affordability. So which age group is most active when it comes to property buying in Devanahalli and North Bangalore?
Yeah, so this is one of the part of survey which we did initially. Also, when we started the initial marketing for this product in around May, when we started post RERA, around first week of May, we received the RERA post, we started the marketing. We found that majority of people who are looking at are in the age group of the recent age group between 30 to 40 only. We had some senior citizen also looking at, because we have exclusive product also designed for them. When Mahima will explain about the project, she will give you the briefing on that. So we have exclusive senior citizen product also. So we have a mixture of them. Also the people are looking majorly for investment, because the product is giving them a good investment return. Secondly, people are also looking at their self-use. So we have around 70-30 ratio if you take to investment to self-use kind of thing.
All right. Mahima, can you throw some light on the available units right now and the size of these units?
Yes, so talking about the units that we mainly have our 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs, which are for regular buyers. So our 2 BHK is around 952 square feet, which is the saleable area. And the 3 BHK is around 1150 square feet, again talking about the saleable area. Focusing on the senior living, as Prashant sir was saying, we have 1 BHK, 2 BHK dedicated specifically for senior citizens. So what we have done in this 1 BHK and 2 BHK is we have made the apartment senior citizen friendly. So we have made the doors and the rooms wheelchair friendly. Along with that, we have put hand railings and grab rails throughout the apartment, given them artistic tiling. So 1 BHK in the senior living would be around 786 square feet, and 2 BHK is close to around 1044 square feet.
Okay, thank you. Mahima, may I request you to walk us through the project presentation as well?
Yeah. So Godrej Royal Woods mainly comes in North Part, Bangalore. This is our 4th project in the North Part, extreme North Part, and this is a little before Devanahalli, which is Devanahalli village that we have, and it comes right on the national highway. The access is very convenient because you can access the project right from the service road itself. So in terms of distance, you can say it is around 3 to 4 minutes from Devanahalli town, and it's only around 8 to 10 minutes from the international airport. So because of that, the convenience, to the project and around the project is very good. Along with that, because it's on the national highway, the main benefit is that you have a no signal, right. So because that means you can reach Nepal in this span around 15 to 20 minutes. You can just yeah, as a consistency application, the project is it's only energy efficient. So that is along with that it will last so it's close to installation and we have which is very close to the project, and we have which is not so once the video comes up, it will be to each part of capacity and road which is connected from Hyderabad.
I think Mahima is facing some audio challenges, so I can help Mahima in going through the project detailing.
Mahima, your voice is breaking, unfortunately. It's the internet, I guess. Can Mr. Prashanto take it over for a while, please?
Yeah, sure. So as I discussed during our discussion on the after the video, this is located on bang on the NS7. Right from Hebbal, it's around 28 kilometer post your airport toll gate. It's the location exactly is called Bhugnahalli. From the airport toll, when you cross the airport toll, it's around 4 kilometers towards your right hand side. This is on the main NS7, so you will not miss it. And it's at the junction where you have IVC Road junction also. The route map is showing, reflecting the left towards your IVC. Yeah, we can go to the next slide, please. So as you saw in the previous slide also, the location is very conveniently located. So in a radius of around 4 to 5 kilometers, we have very international schools and colleges in radius of hardly 4 to 5 kilometers. Plus, if you see the other international schools and colleges, which is one of the greatest point in the North Bangalore, people are looking at North Bangalore for their colleges, schools and all. Is in the radius of 15 to 20 kilometers, but traveling wise, it is hardly 15 to 20 minutes. So the traveling time is very convenient here because of the connectivity for the airport. We have the national highway connectivity as well as the toll road, which is connecting to the airport. So this location of the project is located providently across in the middle of hub. So you can say the IT corridor, the metro which is coming up for the railway, the airport is coming very nearby. Also, you see the sports and entertainment zone. We have the malls nearby. Yelanka, we have the nearest mall which is there. The traveling time also, if you look at the distances here, we have measuredly given you the timing here because the traveling time is what normally looked at in the Bangalore traffic. Because even if you are near a 4 kilometer in Whitefield, Phoenix Mall takes you half an hour to reach. So that's the reason we take as a timing. Now coming to the master plan, as the USP was already explained by Mahima some time back, I will just reiterate. So we have this product bang on the national highway, connecting the national highway with the project. We have 13 acres land development here, in which we are developing 6 towers with 3 different heights. Why different height is because we have designed the product accordingly. We have an exclusive tower, which is tower number 6, which is extreme left corner, is only done for the senior citizen. Why we have restricted this? Because we wanted senior citizen to be safe and sound, and they are not disturbed by the others. So we have exclusively have an exclusive clubhouse for them, and the facilities which Mahima has already highlighted, like exclusive wheelchair-friendly rooms, panic buttons across the location required, handles, wheelchair-friendly, all those facilities are there. This is long plus 16 floor building. Then we have number 5, tower number 5, 3 and 4, which is right now open for sale. This will have ground plus 18 in tower number 4, whereas tower number 3 and 4 has 19 floor each. Now the total product size, we have kept 80% of the entire land of 13 acres towards your major of Mother Earth. The Mother Earth, if you see the internal portion, this is all Mother Earth. It's not an artificial landscaping done on the basement level. So what we have done is we have majorly done the construction in the side portion of the product and given the Mother Earth as it is. So we have 1,000 plus trees across already existing, and we have tried to maintain 90 to 95% of those trees. So if you look at, we have 50 plus amenities, which was part of the master plan highlighted, which includes your volleyball court, half volleyball, swimming pool, then your badminton court, all those facility, whichever you have in a regular product, you have it here as well. So we have not compromised anything on the amenities point of view also. Yes, the product size, we have reduced the sizes, but as I told, if you visualize the product at the site and the model flat is ready. So if you see the product, we have studios as well as the 1 bedroom and the 2 bedroom of senior citizen. Along with that, we have 2 bedroom for regular apartment and both us for 3 bedroom as well. So studios will be starting range of 432 square feet, which fetches you a pricing of around 25 lakhs. We have some lower ticket size also, 23 lakhs is the starting for the studio. The 1 BHK in the senior living is costing you around 34 lakhs. 2 bedroom is costing you in the senior citizen is around 44.9 lakhs. Whereas regular 2 bedroom will start from 36.9 lakhs, and the 3 bedroom is starts for 49.9 lakhs. So these are few elevation of the product. So if you look, as Mahima was already highlighting, that any of the unit you choose, whether it's a inside or outside facing, you will have a definite view. So that's the view of the product which you see. Whenever a product is coming up with this kind of design, you have ventilation as well as lighting through across the day. So these are few of the claims of the product. Once the product is ready, your views will look like how it will look. So this is the infinity pool which we have. So tower 3 and 4 will have this view and gives you an entire Nandi Hills view also. This is the full landscaping view directly to the highway. The infinity pool view, one of the pool which we have done here is only exclusive for the regular apartments. We have a clubhouse very next to the swimming pool itself, which is around 18,000 square feet. Apart from this, we have a senior citizen clubhouse as well. So that's the basic product what we have here for the consumers. Obviously, the models are ready. We have right now the visual tools also applicable. So if somebody wants to have a video call, we can arrange that as well. We are also arranging the site visit at the convenient location with prior appointment, because safety is our prior concern. We take higher precautionary measures which has been allocated by government. So with prior appointments, of course, we are open to show you the detailing. Yeah, over to you, Sneha.
Thank you, Prashanto and Mahima. We'll quickly move on to the audience questions now. Our first question is, are there any special discounts or offers available for this project? Mahima, can you help us with that, please?
Yeah, so talking about the discounts that we have, because this is a pre-launch project, we are already offering the best price possible for the apartments, right? So in pre-launch, we cannot offer a discount because the price that we are quoting right now is already the bare minimum pricing. So the audience and the customers can be rest assured that once we are launching this project and once the entire launch is completed, the apartment price will only increase. So currently the price that they are buying it at is the best pricing, and they can only expect an increase in pricing after probably a month or two.
Thank you.
Sneha, just to add on this, yes, of course, we don't have pricing benefit, not the benefit, pricing discounts, but of course, the pricing what we have kept is for a limited timeline only. We are keeping this only till June this month. So it is for the first come first preference basis, and of course, the first price in the market comes with definitely the lowest in the market. Coming to the benefit, what we can give is instead of price benefit, we have worked out a very attractive payment schedule. We have worked out a easy installment schedule divided across the project completion, which we will come once we have any questions or in the future detailing of that.
Okay. Thank you for that. Kisle, coming to you, what is the scope of appreciation? This is a question we've received from 2 or 3 audience members. Can you answer that, please?
Yeah, thank you, Sneha. So, first of all, I would like to say that's a very good question from your side. So, I would like to give a few suggestions to our buyers and also to the investors. So, the first thing what I would like to say is like we do have very attractive price range at the moment, and adding to the Mahima's like point. We have put the price also on hold till June. So we are shortly planning to increase our property prices due to great demand for the brand. And also we are sitting at the lowest gain over the selling price. So this is the right time for the investor to invest. So I would like them to, there will be a humble request from my side to be quick and attain this price before it gets over. Second point is financial institutions are offering an effective rate of interest. That is like 7 to 7.5% at the current scenario, which is lowest in 15 to 16 years. So again, this is a very good opportunity for the buyers. Third, when you are betting on your investment, go for a brand. And brand like Godrej Properties will definitely yield you maximum ROI. And our proven record also says that. So again, the point of appreciation year on year, we have, so I would like to say like before launching the project, we do a regressive survey in and around the area. So after doing the survey, we got to know the appreciation year on year will be around 8 to 12%.
Okay.
Yeah. So this, after the development, post 5 years, you can see immense changes in near proximity. And yes, this is again coming to the same point. This is the right time to invest. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Kisle.
Thank you.
We come to you, Prashanto. What are the facilities that you offer for young couples with small kids?
Yeah, so already when I was discussing about the product briefing, I discussed about the all kind of facility which is there across the project. We are not only uh, uh, doing that in the project, but also we have added some of the facilities. Like if you see, we have always, as a Godrej, we tried for the convenience of the consumer. So whenever we design a product, we have all the facility, try to get all the facility within the complex itself. Unless until you have emergency or a working condition, you have to move out. Otherwise, right from the tie-ups where we have your grocery tie-up, medical tie-up, all the types are already in place for all our project and for this project as well. Similarly, if you look at for a young family, as I told, this product itself is designed for a particular client area where their affordability is very restricted. So they can easily consume this product, and since they have a very young kid, we have lot of schools nearby. So considering all those factors, you can see the major facilities of the young family. The main thing is their kids growth, and the second thing is the safety. So of course the safety is a concern for every family. It's not only the young family only, but as a Godrej, we have worked out all the facilities, CCTV cameras, and all those will be there as a part of the facilities which we provide. So the consumer need not have to go out until unless it's an emergency or they want to go out for their office work.
Sachin, coming to you, we are looking for assistance from PropTiger to help us buy a 2 BHK in this project. What will the charges be? Are there any hidden costs?
Yes, so PropTiger is a zero brokerage firm. We do not have any charges. All our facilities are, all our services are absolutely free of charge.
Thank you. We'll move on to the next question. I'm skeptical about North Bangalore. Please help me make a decision. My other option is Sarjapur. This is again from Mr. Mehta.
Yes, so North Bangalore is a very, very promising area. So North Bangalore will be at the center stage of growth and development. I would just mention a few points. Kempagoda International Airport has been the catalyst for growth in the North Bangalore. Metro line phase 2, Namma Metro, which will possibly run, which will possibly run through Hebbal and will connect Central District to the airport, shall bring huge appreciation into this area. KIDB Aerospace Park. Then we have got Devanahalli Corporate Park, which will fetch $2 billion of investment next 2 to 5 years. Then the revival of IIT-IR, and also the proximity of North Bangalore to the east corridor and to the Central District, and the upcoming Ferry-Follow Ring Road. All these developments will add great strength to North. So I see North will have huge appreciation in the times to come. As far as Sarjapur is concerned, the per square feet price is little higher than the North, and the market is little saturated. So in the long term, North will definitely have an edge over it. All our property advisors who are expert in the property advising, they are available. We can assist the client in Sarjapur also.
Okay. Prashanto, what is the project completion timeline, and do you expect any delay due to COVID or other reasons?
Yeah, so basically the timeline what we have given to the RERA for the approval phase, we have taken a timeline of 5 years, which is 2025. However, if you go by our track record, we have lots of projects not in the eastern part like Godrej Air, which we have done in a timeline of 2.5 years itself. So this is a product where we are using the same technology, the My1 technology. So the construction is very fast in this technology. So we expect this product to be ready in 3.5 to max 4 years. Of course, the COVID has hit the market and there is labor movement and all. But as I told, the technology which we are using, the labor movement is very restricted. So we don't require major number of labors to help it out. Of course, we require a skilled labors. So we have definitely the number of labors which we are looking at, and they are more skilled and to do the activities. So we don't expect any delay. 3.5 years is the maximum timeline which we are looking at. But in certain condition, like the time where we have COVID-like situation where the other things has to be shut down uh, with the raw materials and all, we may take another 3 to 4 months additional. So maximum timeline will be 4 years for this product.
Okay. Mahima, there's somebody in our audience who wants to get the RERA details for this project.
Yeah, so we received the RERA in the month of May, and the RERA details will be available on the official RERA website. So all the details, whether it comes to the land details and other legalities, they will be able to access through the RERA website itself. So we can share the RERA number with them, and they can have a look at the website for all the details about the project.
Okay. Prashanto, help us understand. There's somebody asking us, do you offer any price protection to customers who are booking a property now? What is the booking value? Will there be a refund?
Yeah, so basically, we had this question answered already. I will just reiterate. Mahima told already the pricing benefit when we were discussing. We told that this is the first price in the market. So the first price in the market cannot be again the second one. So the first price is always protected. So when you are investing within the June, whatever pricing we have been committed to you is the final. And later on, if there is a price appreciation, it is the year-on-year price appreciation goes to the investment. So we don't keep the price appreciation point and then realize it accordingly. So we always give the benefit to the consumers, and the price once you're booking in the product here. So we have this price protection plan already there. As a corporate, we don't have a special discount like you are a CEO of a company or you are a MLA or you are a district administration. We don't they bifurcate the consumers like that. We have worked as a corporate, whatever discounts and facilities are there, it's equal for all the individuals.
Okay. And how many units are available for sale in Godrej Royal Woods right now? What is
So
the occupancy?
total number of units comes here is around 1,600 plus units, and we have released almost 90% of them. That's around 1,200 units we have released. That's because we wanted all the consumer to have the facilities and the choices as per them, and not to restrict with their towers.
Can I do a virtual tour of this property? Interested can as home loan and documentation. Sachin?
Yes, we surely assist in the virtual tour of the properties. We have a dedicated home loan department wherein we have hired the experts from the banking domain, and we have got tie-ups with all the banks and all prominent NBFCs. Our relationship managers will take care of the holistic process, right from the evaluating the eligibility of a person till the disbursal of the loan.
Mahima, what is the PLC in this project?
So PLC basically means the preferred or the premium location charges that we apply. Because it's still a pre-launch, we have a very minimal PLC. Mainly the PLC focuses only on the facing of your apartment, whether you're going for an east or a north facing apartment. And it also obviously applies for the view, as in the central garden view. So if you're taking an apartment which is an east facing and it comes with the central garden view, then there will be an addition of 2 lakh rupees to the cost. And that is the only PLC that we have applied, because in the pre-launch, as I was saying, we have the minimal costing for the apartments.
Okay.
So that is for the 2 BHK. Sorry, talking about the 3 BHK, for a 3 BHK, the pricing will be 3 lakh rupees, as I was mentioning, for the facing and again for the view of the central garden.
Oh, all right. Mr. Kisle, there's somebody in our audience who wants to understand your past record. What are the other projects by this builder in the city? Mr. Kisle.
Sure.
Can we have the PPT as well, please?
Yes. Just give me 1 minute now. So hi, first I would like to talk about Godrej Properties. Then like Godrej first before Godrej Properties. So we would like to talk about Godrej Group, which was established in like 1897. So 123 hello.
Yes, you're
Yeah,
audible.
can you hear? Yeah,
Yes.
123 years of legacy what we have, and we are sitting on annual revenue of $5 billion year on year. Yeah. So looking into the constraint of time, I would directly take you to the projects. So we do have 15 projects altogether in Bangalore, out of which 4 is already completed. So which includes Godrej Woodsman Estate. So it's in Bellary Road, next to Hebbal Flyover. It's a very premium project. Then we do have Godrej Platinum, just before the project I mentioned earlier, Godrej Woodsman Estate. That is also a completed project. It's again a luxury project. What we do have, we already have handed over to the association. Then we do have Godrej Gold County, which is in Tumkur Road, just behind Palaji factory. Godrej E-City, in the heart of Godrej, Electronic City, phase 1. Apart from these, I would like to say we are spread across, considering west, east, north and south zone of Bangalore. We do have projects like Godrej Nurture, which is again in E-City phase 1. The pricing 79 lakhs onwards is the pricing what we do have for Godrej Nurture. Godrej Zest, the starting price is 57 lakhs onwards. Godrej Air Next, which is in Whitefield. So upcoming metro is just in front of the gate of the project. So 3 BHK starting from 1.32 CR. Again, Godrej United, which is in Whitefield, the price starts from 1.85 CR. Godrej Avenues, which is on Yelahanka, which is in Yelahanka New Town, on the main road, Yelahanka to Dullapur Highway, the price starts from 71 lakhs onwards. Godrej Aqua, again on Bellary Road, the price starts from 71 lakhs onwards. Godrej Reserve, the price starts from 64 lakhs. Godrej 24 in Sarjapur Road, the price is 85 lakhs onwards. So these are the projects which are under construction. If the customer wants, they can directly get in touch with PropTiger. So I would like to say something about PropTiger as well. PropTiger, so it has been founded by the alumni of Harvard School of Business, IIT, and IBS. So they have that expertise into real estate since decades. So please reach out to PropTiger for any information and have a detailed information about the projects in Bangalore. We do have a lot of projects to offer to you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you. Over to you, Sneha.
Sneha, just one point here. I think Kisley missed one very attractive point. Like till the month end, we are also running some of the very good scheme on the other projects where there is very good flexibility, the 1090 plans and other things. So of course, Sachin will help the consumers and they can reach to the PropTiger team.
Sure.
Sachin, now we have a question for you coming in. I'm a first-time home buyer and I need help shortlisting the project. What are some of the aspects I should look at besides budget? This project suits my budget.
So in your home buying decision, basically there are a host of factors which a person should consider. First is the work location, spouse work location. Then we can look for the transport connectivity. Then we can look for the proximity to the social infrastructure, colleges, schools. The project should be free of legal hassles. What is the future appreciation potential of an area? how secure that place is, or how much green spaces, open spaces are given in that, and what is the builder track record of delivery, construction quality, etc. So there are a lot of factors which a person should consider alongside the budget.
Thank you. Now, well, we've come to the close of this webinar. We'll wind this up for lack of time with a closing statement from all our panelists, beginning with you, Mr. Mukherjee.
Thanks, Nehal. Sorry, so I just wanted to add on, we discussed the payment schedule earlier, but I didn't give in the briefing because I thought we will have a slide on that. But never mind, we have a lot of questions also, this payment scheme, what is all about. So I just saw in the chat box that some of the questions are there. Since we have very limited time, I will just give you the briefing on that. As I discussed, we have divided the installment into 18 easy installment of 5% each. So if a property cost is 40 lakhs, it will be divided into 18 installment of 5% each, which makes it to 2 lakhs per installment. And this installment will be based on the construction progress. So we expect roughly 3 to 4 months gap line in between. So that's the timeline which we are looking at. Now that with that, we will close. If you have any question, obviously we will be replying back to you through the offline mode. But since we have very limited time, I will like to thank the panelists as well as the PropTiger team to organize this webinar. And thank you for the opportunity which we had discussion here. All the consumers, we will like you to also visit our project and connect with us through the virtual mode if you want to have a virtual discussion as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prashanto. Kisle?
Hi. So the only thing I would like to conclude over here is like, apart from Godrej Royal Woods, we do have a lot of projects running through some schemes. So we do have 1090 scheme running through for a very limited time period. So please request each and every buyers and investor to reach out to PropTiger guys. You can reach out to us as well. So all the best in buying your apartment and plot. We do have plot as well in Bangalore. So thank you. Over to you, Sneha. Thank you.
Mahima, any closing remarks from your side?
I think Prashanto sir and Kisle sir have covered most of it. I would just request everyone to have a look at all our projects in the Bangalore portfolio. And there's obviously us as well as PropTiger ready to help you out for anything. And hope to see a lot of positive customers at the end of this webinar.
Thank you. Sachin?
Thank you all for joining with us, and thank you, Team Godrej, for your august presence. So this is basically an opportune time for buying your dream home because the housing rates, the loan rates, they have bottomed out. They have been lowest in the last decade, and the market is abuzz with a lot of offers being given by the builders. People can contact proptiger.com for all their real estate needs. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering the queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. We hope to have answered some of your queries. Should you have any other questions, our representatives will get back to you. You could use our social media handle to drop in these questions. If you happen to miss any bit of this webinar, you can find a recording of it on our Facebook page. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay healthy, stay happy.